Hey, how's it going everybody? It's Christian L here with Eat Like an Apex. For this food tour, we are back in Sonoma, California, 2019. And we're here at a similar spot that I've been to last year where our family got together. A wonderful family trip, and we're doing it again. In this series, we're going to show you a few things, specifically in the Sonoma area. Today's video is going to be a capture of Gong Gong's home cooking, which one of the dishes is a Tom Yum style Thai soup and a Burmese dry noodle dish. I forget the name, I'll probably say it later on. Yeah, let's begin this food tour series of Sonoma, California here. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, hope you find time to subscribe. I greatly appreciate that. With that said, I'm gonna show you everything in this video right now. Okay, I found out the name of the dry noodle. It's khao soi dok. So khao soi dok is a Burmese dry noodle variation with different spices, different veggies. Right now they are preparing a khao soi dok, egg noodle here that's already been prepared. Okay, so the khao soi dok is gonna have slices of cucumber, some bean sprouts, shrimp powder, yellow bean powder. So the red one must be shrimp powder. Yeah. Okay. Alright, so those were just placed in a bowl here. Now it's not going to be one of those things where you kind of stir fry it, I don't think. You add it to it, right? You add it to your dish. Yeah, you don't cook it anymore. Yeah, they're cold dishes. They've been prepared in that you don't have to stir fry it or boil. I mean, the noodles have been boiled, but everything else you kind of put into the bowl, mix it up, and then you'll have your khao soi dok, dry style Burmese noodles. That's for the khao soi dok as well. So there's also a tamarind sauce that goes with the khao soi dok. So we're gonna look at all that later on here as we begin to prepare for lunch. And then you have here in the soup area here, there's going to be a Tom Yum style soup being prepared. And then you have yellow broccoli. I think the yellow broccoli is gonna be for the Tom Yum. Eggs?
Fresh chicken eggs.
Oh, check that out. Very cool. She brought some eggs over from the farm here.
Yeah.
I appreciate that.
Oh yeah, no problem.
Hey, thank you so much for the eggs. Okay, so these are eggs that are from the farm next door. Now we're slicing up some onions here.
You didn't eat it. Deep fried garlic oil.
So you place that deep fried garlic oil into the pan. That's gonna simmer, so it'll be another sauce add-on onto the dish.
You have a choice to add that in the potato, tomatoes. You will move through. But basically the garlic oil and then yellow powder.
So you slice those tomatoes up, add it to the onions. More add-ons into this khao soi dok, and tomatoes is another add-on if you want to. You don't have to. I don't think I've ever had it, but maybe I'll try that today. So he's placing that Tom Yum paste into the boiling water. Also has the tomatoes in there, but this is a Tom Yum paste with cream coconut.
Garlic oil.
So he quickly blanched the cabbage in the boiling water, so you get a little bit of the crispiness of it without the rawness of it. And that is also going to be for the khao soi dok. Am I saying it right? Khao soi dok. Khao soi dok. For authentication purposes, Gong Gong, his style of Burmese cooking originates from Burma itself. He's from Burma, and so he learned this style of Burmese cooking from the source. So these aren't dishes that are kind of made up or fusion. These are authentic Burmese dishes. Khao soi dok, like I said, it's another traditional Burmese dish that he's preparing.
Potato.
So he's added the prawns into the Tom Yum soup, and that's just going to cook and boil. I'm gonna try some of that soup right now. This is the Tom Yum soup. That's spicy. Yeah, that's spicy. Woo! Yeah, there's a lot of flavor. That spice really kicked me in the throat. That was really good. Like a sour base, a slightly sweet, but more like salty sour soup. You do taste that coconut, maybe like a red curry from the paste. Oh yeah, that's spectacular. Yeah. Yes. Now this is something that's in a lot of Asian soup dishes, and I believe also for sure in Burmese dishes, that fish sauce is a must-needed ingredient.
What can I say? Fish sauce. The tamarind.
So good. Uber good.
I'm gonna start making the khao soi duk. We're going with the noodles first. If you're wondering why we're using our hands, it's all washed. And I'm gonna get some of the shrimp powder.
Yeah.
1 spoon would be good.
Yeah.
Spoon of shrimp powder. And then a spoon of the yellow bean powder.
Yeah.
Sprinkle that. These sliced cucumbers. A few green sprouts. You don't have to add it, but you could. I'm gonna add some tomatoes. Since it's out here, I just wanna add it.
And then the onion.
And some onions, yes. Onions, let me get some little slices of onions. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of the pepper. These are dried Thai chili peppers. These are the blanched cabbages. And a little bit of that. Garlic oil with pieces of garlic shards. Just a spoon of that. Actually, I really like garlic, so I'm gonna add a little bit more. Okay. Tamarind sauce.
Yeah.
And I'm just gonna pour that like that. Not sure if that was a good amount, maybe a little more. Okay. And finally, fish sauce. What we do next is you mix it up with your hands. Yeah. Just mix it.
Powder it too.
And you just keep mixing it
And you put tamarind.
to your liking. Okay. Alrighty, so let's take this to the table. Alright, so we have finally come to the final product, the dish that I've been looking forward to. It's the khao soi duk. You've seen how Gogong prepared it, you've seen how he mixed it, and I attempted to mix it myself. Hopefully this is the right variation, the right measured components by eye. But you have there the khao soi duk. And I'm going to go straight up and use my hands as traditional, how they did it in Burma as well. Let's go for a bite here. All right, khao soi duk. Cheers. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, immediately. What sticks out here is not any one item actually. This is a particular dish where you have just the mingleness of the different spices, the different textures, the different flavors in here, just all combined into one to make a really unique, all-in-one, exclusive flavor. A little bit of this shrimp powder, a little bit of that yellow bean curd powder, and then you have the chilies, you have the peppers, you have the different spices, the garlic sauce inside of here. It's not one particular ingredient that sticks out. They all are combined to make just a harmonious dish. Oh yeah, that is excellent. I'm gonna go ahead and get some more here. I'll maybe add a few cucumbers on this bite as well. The texture's like a slightly al dente. The noodle's more soft. Yeah, no, this is definitely a dish. You taste Burma. You taste what was known as Burma, which is now Myanmar. If you were to identify Burma with a dish, this would be up there. And right here. As they say in Burma, Jesu Ding Ba De for watching. Picked up the last part of this meal here, which is the tom yum soup. Tom yum soup has that yellow broccoli, those tomatoes, some shrimp, curry coconut paste that was added to it. I taste a lot of coconut flavor in that, and also that like a red curried spice in there as well. I'm gonna try this one now with the shrimp. Chase that with a yellow broccoli. Oh yeah, I've gotta drink it. I have to. I'm gonna keep this rolling now. I'm gonna have it with some tomatoes. That's really good. Lots of flavor, spicy, slight bit sour, very soothing, warm feeling, comforting soup. This is the tom yum soup here. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this now. Stick with this here. I'll continue more of the Sonoma, California food tour, 2019 food tour series. I've been here before, but we're back again. With that said, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you do like it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I greatly appreciate that. Peace out. One love. Late. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn post notifications so you don't miss a thing. All right, later. As they say in Burma, what do they say? Jesu Ding Ba De, which is like Happy New Year.
No, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Jesu Ding Ba De for watching.